Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlead Guide. I am Saurav Rogle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic The Mountain and the Squirrel on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Basaheb Rogle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe the channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Who is the poet of the poem The Mountain and the Squirrel? Options are A. British poet William Shakespeare, B. British poet William Wordsworth, C. Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore, or D. American poet Ralph Waldo Emerson. Correct option is D. American poet Ralph Waldo Emerson. Question number 2. Question number 2. The poem The Mountain and the Squirrel is written in dash dash style. Options are A. Conversational, B. Narrative, C. Persuasive, or D. Expository. Correct option is A. Conversational. Question number 3. What is the nature of the poem The Mountain and the Squirrel? Options are A. Argumentative, B. Descriptive, C. Satirical, or D. Ironical. Correct option is A. Argumentative. Question number 4. What is the moral of the poem The Mountain and the Squirrel? Options are A. Some creatures are powerful, B. Some creatures are superior, C. All creatures are important, or D. Some creatures are very small. Correct option is C. All creatures are important. Question number 5. By what name is the squirrel referred to in the poem The Mountain and the Squirrel? Options are A. Track, B. Pretty, C. Spear, or D. Bun. Correct option is D. Bun. Question number 6. What does the mountain call the squirrel? Options are A. Little prig, B. Small prig, C. Tiny prig, or D. Minor prig. Correct option is A. Little prig. Question number 7. You are doubtless very big. Here, the word you stands for the dash dash. Options are A. Squirrel, B. The poet, C. Mountain, or D. God. Correct option is C. Mountain. Question number 8. And the former called the latter little prig. Here, latter refers to dash dash. Options are A. The poet, B. Mountain, C. God, or D. Squirrel. Correct option is D. Squirrel. Question number 9. What must be taken in together to make up a ear and a spear? Options are A. Mountain and squirrel, B. Little prig and bun, C. All sorts of things and weather, or D. Track and nuts. Correct option is C. All sorts of things and weather. Question number 10. By nature, the squirrel in the poem is dash dash. Options are A. Self-respected, B. Egoistic, C. Selfish, or D. Self-centered. Correct option is A. Self-respected. Question number 11. To the squirrel, largeness and smallness are two dash dash concepts. Options are A. Equal, B. Opposite, C. Equal and opposite, or D. Dissimilar. Correct option is C. Equal and opposite. Question number 12. According to the squirrel, the talent of one creature is dash dash from other. Options are A. Equal, B. Similar, C. Parallel, or D. Different. Correct option is D. Different. Question number 13. The mountain and the squirrel are symbols of the dash dash. Options are A. Creators or God's vision of the universe, B. Animate and inanimate creature, C. Movable and immovable creatures, or D. Active and passive creators. Correct option is A. Creators or God's vision of the universe. Question number 14. The phrase all is well and wisely put refers to the fact that God has put the dash dash. Options are A. Right thing at the wrong place, B. Right thing at the right place, C. Wrong thing at the right place, or D. Wrong thing at the wrong place. Correct option is B. right thing at the right place. Question number 15. What is the strong point of the squirrel shown in the poem? Or what can the squirrel do that mountain cannot? Options are A. Carry a nut, B. Can run fast, C. Attractive stripes on body, or D. Can crack a nut and move. Correct option is D. Can crack a nut and move. Question number 16. The squirrel in the poem agrees that she is dash dash as the mountain. Options are A. Not so large, B. Not so strong, C. Not so attractive, or D. Not so little prig. Correct option is A. Not so large. Question number 17. How does the squirrel defend herself? Options are A. She is small but pretty, B. She is small but young, C. She is animate and energetic, or D. She is a pet animal. Correct option is C. She is animate and energetic. Question number 18. The squirrel tries to convince the mountain that all creatures are different and they have their own dash dash. Options are A. Strengths and weaknesses, B. Strength, C. Weakness, or D. Colors. Correct option is A. Strengths and weaknesses. Question number 19. Which character in The Mountain and the Squirrel is shown as an impolite, arrogant, or egoistic? Options are A. Squirrel, B. Forest, C. Mountain, or D. Bun. Correct option is C. Mountain. Question number 20. What is the weakness of the mountain? Options are A. Not half attractive as the squirrel, B. Not half colorful as the squirrel, C. Not half strong as the squirrel, or D. Not half so spry as the squirrel. Correct option is D. Not half so spry as the squirrel. Question number 21. Who puts all well and wisely? Options are A. Squirrel, B. Creator or God, C. Mountain, or D. The poet. Correct option is B. Creator or God. Question number 22. What according to the squirrel always differs? Options are A. Talents, B. Power, C. Memory, or D. Beauty. Correct option is A. Talents. Question number 23. What are the talents of the mountain described in the poem? Options are A. Active, gorgeous, energetic and attractive, B. Huge and helpful for rain, C. Big, make pretty squirrel track and carry forests on back, or D. Immortal and dynamic. Correct option is C. Big, make pretty squirrel track and carry forests on back. Question number 24. What doesn't the squirrel deny? Options are A. The mountain can break a nut, B. The mountain is active, C. She is ugly, or D. Hugeness of the mountain. Correct option is D. Hugeness of the mountain. Question number 25. Who is not half so spry? Options are A. The squirrel, B. The god, C. The mountain, or D. The poet. Correct option is C. The mountain. Question number 26. Who are referred as former and latter in the poem? Options are A. Former is squirrel and latter is mountain, B. Former is mountain and latter is squirrel, C. Former is mountain and latter is creator, or D. Former is squirrel track and latter is talent. Correct option is B. Former is mountain and latter is squirrel. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.